In the world of venture capital, there is a constant search for wisdom and guidance. As investors navigate the ever-changing landscape, they seek advice from experienced professionals who can provide valuable insights. But how do you discern true wisdom from mere theory? Exploring the question of discerning wisdom from theory in the realm of venture capital, we delve deep into experiences and insights from conversations with industry experts. This allows us to present a comprehensive guide to distinguishing between valuable advice and empty rhetoric. We start by acknowledging the abundance of information available to venture capitalists in this digital age. A multitude of blogs, podcasts, and social media accounts offering advice, it can indeed be a daunting task to separate the signal from the noise. It is paramount to critically evaluate the source of the advice, putting into consideration their track record and level of expertise. Next, let's delve into the concept of theory versus practice. Theory provides a solid foundation of knowledge, but it's the practical application of that knowledge that yields results. Look for advice that is grounded in real-world experience and backed by tangible results. Another key aspect to consider is the importance of context. What works for one investor or one company may not necessarily work for another. It's crucial to consider the specific circumstances and goals when evaluating advice. Seek out advice that is tailored to your unique situation and aligns with your objectives. Furthermore, let's emphasize the value of different perspectives. It's important to seek out other voices. Different backgrounds and experiences can offer fresh insights and challenge conventional wisdom. In conclusion, let's provide a roadmap for venture capitalists seeking wisdom in a sea of theory. This includes critically evaluating the source, considering practical application, understanding context, and embracing different perspectives. With these insights, investors can navigate venture capital with confidence. As the landscape continues to progress and transform, the pursuit of knowledge remains a steadfast constant. The significance of differentiating genuine wisdom from mere theoretical knowledge, making educated decisions, and understanding the profound influence these decisions have on fostering success are crucial elements. Equipped with these pertinent insights, venture capitalists are enabled to distinguish real wisdom from theory and make informed decisions that propel success.